Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open Firefox and click the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Wait for the menu to appear and focus on Settings. Select Settings from the menu to open Configuration Pages and Preferences. Use the Settings search bar and type Toggle or Switch to find the specific option quickly. Scroll the matches if needed to view related preferences. Keep Firefox updated for consistent switch behavior and predictable UI placement across versions. Click the toggle switch once to change its state between on and off. Observe the switch color and position to confirm the new state visually and audibly. If Firefox displays a prompt asking for confirmation, click Confirm or Apply to save the change. Many switches apply immediately, while some require a browser restart to fully activate. When prompted, restart Firefox now to ensure the switch takes full effect across all tabs and extensions. For advanced switches, use About, config by typing About, config into the address bar. Accept the risk prompt to access advanced configuration pages and searchable keys. Enter the specific preference name into the search box to reveal Boolean and numeric entries. Toggle Boolean values by double-clicking or using the switch control next to each entry. Make one change at a time and test stability after each toggle to catch errors quickly. Create a profile backup before changing multiple switches to restore your settings later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.